Hi there once again, class. So we are almost done with the basic steps. We are just going to finish our kickings or basic kicks right now. So let us start with the front snap kick for karate. Okay, so front snap kick, you start with lifting your knees up so that you can strike properly. And take note of the toes. You have to bend it up. Otherwise, if you do that, you will be hurting your toes. So always there, put it up. Okay, turn it up. And let's start with the standing position. Maybe I will show you the side view from right to left so that at least you will be able to see. Okay, so standing, 1, up, 2, up. Always withdraw from here. Put it back. So left, there, up. Okay? Now with stance, maybe. When you do the downward block, and there. So, on guard, kick, lift, 1. Down, 2, lift, down, kick, and down. Okay? So that's it. How about the other one? Up, kick, down, up, kick, down. Side view, up, down, I kick, down, and up, kick, down. Same with the left, up, kick, down, up, kick, down. So that's about it for the front snap.